Cordial greeting to tuning partners. My name is Camila Arana Carvajal, and today I'm going to show you my exercise and in PowerPoint for pre-intermediate English course about conditionals in English. First one, we have to know or remember that conditional if when we use the word if. And this is the probably or the word that we use for complete some consequence about any action. There are three types of conditionals. The first is conditional zero, that is when we use the word if plus present simple, and we use the present simple for say the consequence. This conditional number one is when we use if were plus present simple, and we use future simple for say the consequence. The conditional number two is when we use if were plus past simple, and we use will do or would for the consequence. And the conditional number T, that is the last, is when we use if word plus past perfect, and we use will have for the consequence. And so in this moment, I will going to see some questions when I have to answer, giving some conditionals, and you can find the last types that I said in these questions. The first question say, if you study English hard, what will you do? I answer, if I study English hard, I will talk with persons from other country. If you only had 24 hours to live, what will you do? If I had 24 hours to live, I will spend time with my daughter. I follow in my English text. If I had studied more, I would have got a better qualification. If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, what can I do? If I don't know the meaning of a word in English, I will ask to the teacher or I will use an English dictionary. If you could be an animal, what animal would you be? If I could be an animal, I would like to be a wolf. If you hadn't started this career, which other would you have studied and why? If I hadn't started this teacher career, I would have started medicine because save life is something amazing. If it rains tomorrow, what will you wear? If it rains tomorrow, I will wear a dark pants, sweater, and boots. What happens if your smartphone falls into the toilet? If my smartphone falls into the toilet, I will take it with a glove and I will put it into the trash. If you could be invisible for a day, what would you do and why? If I could be invisible for a day, I would travel around the world because I think to travel is one of the most exciting things that the humans can do. Babies cry if they feel angry. It rained really hard yesterday and you could not do what you planned to do. If I had not rained, what would you have done? If it hadn't rained yesterday, I would have get out with my friends. If you eat a lot of fast food, what will happen? If I eat a lot of fast food, I will feel sick or I will be fat very quickly. Thank you so much.